Crayon. Very good. Okay, how about this one? Okay, again. Right? Where is the crayon eraser? Okay. Okay, this is, what is it? Eraser. Alright, okay. Are you ready? Okay, ready. Okay. Where is the scissors? Very good. Where's the eraser? Eraser. Alright, very good. Where's the crayon? Where's the paper? Where's the paper? Alright, again. Where's the paper? Paper. Crayon. Eraser. Scissors. Alright, good job. Very good teacher. Alright, okay, huh? That's it. Right? At the back. Okay. Okay, how about this one? Okay, can you say what is it? What is it? Bed. Very good. Back. Again, one more time. Bed. All right, good job. Bathroom. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, sit down, sit down. Nice. Okay, 10. Okay, wait a second. Okay, let us review first. Okay, if teacher says where is the scissors? Where's the scissors? Okay, this one is eraser, scissors, paper, crayon. Again, eraser, scissors, paper, crayon. All right, again, eraser. How can you say eraser? Scissors, paper, crayon. Okay, how about this one? Okay. Okay, wait, later. Okay. Okay, look and answer the question. Okay, what is it? Bed. Very good. What is it? Door. What is it? All right. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay. Okay, teacher. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Where is the eraser? Very good. Where is the paper? Where's the scissors? Where's the crayon? All right. Okay. How about this one? What is it? What is it? Bed. Bed. Very good. All right. Again. One more time. No. Bed. Very good. This one. All right. Good job. Very good. Okay. This is high down. High down. All right. Next. Okay. Okay. Knee, all right, knee and this one, teacher. Okay, just only out. Alright. Okay, are you with teacher? Okay, can you see what is it? Bedroom. Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Alright, okay. Okay, listen to teacher first, okay? If teacher says, where is the eraser? Where's the eraser? Very good. Where's the scissors? Where's the paper? No, it's the paper. Oh, yeah, very good. Where's the crayon? Okay. Can you see this one? What is it? Wait, teacher. What is it? Bed. Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. All right. Okay. Are you ready? You're ready. Okay. Listen to teacher. If teacher says, where is the eraser? All right, very good. Where's the scissors? Where's the paper? Paper. All right, very good. Where's the crayon? Very good. Okay, up on the back, at the back. Okay, can you see this one? What is it? There. Very good. How about this one? Door. Door. Very good. How about this one? Bob. Again? Bob. All right, bathroom. Very good. Okay, good job. Knee. Okay, maybe is. Okay, next. Sunny. Where's Sunny? All right, Sunny. Okay, Sunny. Sit down, Sunny. Okay, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. All right. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Hey, look at the teacher. Look at the teacher. Look at the teacher. Okay, listen and point the right picture. Okay. All right. Listen and point the right picture. Okay, where is the eraser? Where's the eraser? You point eraser. All right. Okay. Where's the scissors? Where's the scissors? Okay, you point like the scissors. It's the scissors. Okay, where's the paper? Paper. All right. Where's the crayon? All right. Again, one more time. Where's the eraser? Where is the eraser? Eraser. Okay, where's the scissors? Scissors. All right. Where's the paper? Where's the crayon? All right. Okay. Next. At the back. Okay. Look and answer. Answer the question. Okay. What is it? What is it? Bedroom. Okay. Can you say bedroom? Door. Bathroom. Again. Bed. Bedroom. Door. Door. Bathroom. Okay, are you ready? Okay, are you ready? You say yes. Okay, where is the eraser? Eraser. Where's the eraser? Very good. Where's the scissors? Where's the paper? Where is the crayon? All right, good job. Okay, at the back. Okay, can you see this one? What is it? Bed. Wow, good job. How about this one? All right, again. Bedroom. All right, very good. Okay. Okay, next. Can. Where's Can? All right, Can. Hello, Can. Okay, sit down, Can. Okay, Can. Okay, listen and point, teacher. Listen and point. Okay. Okay, where is the eraser? Eraser. Okay, this is eraser. Okay, point. Eraser. Okay, where is the scissors? Scissors. Scissors, very good. Where is the paper? Where is the crayon? All right, good job. Okay, at the back. Okay, can you see this one? What is it? Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Bathroom. Again, what is it? Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Okay, are you ready? Okay, yes. Okay, where is the eraser? Where's the eraser? You point. Where's the eraser? Point. Let that point. Where's the eraser? Eraser. You point. Yes, eraser. Okay. Where is the scissors? Scissors. Wow, very good. Where is the paper? Where is the crayon? Alright, very good. Okay, at the back. Okay, can you see this one? What is it? Bed. Louder. Bedroom. Alright, again. Bed. Alright. How about this one? Can. What is it, can? Door. Okay. What is it? How about this one? Bed. Again. Bed. Bed. Bedroom. This one is. This one. Bed. Alright, you got yes. Can. Okay, si can. Okay. Soy. Okay, soy. Soy. Where's soy? Alright, soy. Come here, soy. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Okay, look at the picture. Okay. The point, where is the eraser? Alright, where's the scissors? Scissors. No, this is scissors. Alright, where's the paper? Paper. No, it's not paper. This is a paper. Alright. How about crayon? Okay, again, where's the eraser? Eraser. Eraser. Okay, where's the scissors? Scissors. Where's the paper? Where's the crayon? Alright, again, one more time. Where's the eraser? Eraser. Again, where's the eraser? Did you like that? Eraser. Eraser. Alright. Okay, where's the scissors? Scissors. Scissors. Look at scissors. Where's the scissors? Scissors. Okay, where's the paper? Paper. Paper. Okay, where's the crayon? This is the crayon. Again, eraser. Scissors. Paper. Crayon. Alright, again. Okay, at the back. Okay, can you see this one? Bedroom. 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 Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Bedroom. Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Alright, okay, are you ready? Okay, you point. Okay, eraser. Eraser. Scissors. Paper. Crayon. Okay, are you ready? Yes, okay. Where is the eraser? Eraser. Eraser. Alright, where's the scissors? Alright, very good. Where's the paper? Paper. Alright, where's the crayon? Crayon. 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 Okay, again. Eraser. Scissors. Scissors. Paper. Crayon. Alright, okay, at the back. Okay, can you see this one? What is it? Bedroom. How about this one? Door. Bathroom. Again, bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Okay, that's right. Yay! Okay, Lucy. Alright, done. Okay. Okay, can you see? Okay, you point. Where is the eraser? Eraser. Okay, this is eraser. Okay, you point. Where's the eraser? Eraser. Okay, where's the scissors? Scissors. Very good. Where's the paper? Okay, where's the crayon? Alright. Okay, at the back. Okay, can you see bedroom? Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Okay, louder your voice, okay? Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Again? Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Alright, okay? Are you ready? Okay, where is the eraser? Eraser, where's the eraser? You point. Eraser. Eraser. Point. Yes. Where is the scissors? Scissors. Yes, very good. Where's the paper? Paper. Very good. Where's the crayon? Alright, very good. Okay, at the back. Okay, can you see? Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Okay? Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. Alright, good job. Yes. No. Maybe he doesn't know. Just only 9. No, because he doesn't know how to. Okay, have a teacher. Have a. Yay! Alright. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Hello. Hi. Okay. Everybody say eraser. Scissors. Paper. Crayon. Bedroom. Door. Bathroom. All right. Okay, everybody stand up. Okay, everybody stand up and sing bye-bye song. Okay, stand up. Dun, 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 dun. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can step my feet. I can clap my hands. I can step my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Bye goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, bye bye. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye.
Mình muốn để riêng đam ra rồi. Thì nhà con trước đi. Đây là bác chị. Đây là bác chị. Đây, đúng rồi, nó sẽ